The biggest benefit since my procedure is sleeping and going to the grocery store. My name is Paula Hepp, and Dr. Clegg, within the last 6 weeks, has replaced both of my hips. The quality of life since the surgery is already 80%. I was in pain for about 2 years, and part of that bled into the pandemic. And so part of procrastination on, is it something serious, to where I couldn't even stand it anymore, and my family made me go to the doctor. And I was really surprised when the x-rays and scans came back that my hips were really bad. My surgical experience being outpatient was pretty simple. I've had lots of major invasive surgeries before. This was nothing other than going and getting less invasive than a root canal. I got dropped off because of COVID restrictions. Within 15 minutes, I was in pre-op. The people there were fantastic. They checked on you. You weren't alone. You wake up, if you can walk, you're gone. It was amazing. I think I got there maybe about 10 and I was home by 2. Dr. Clegg was such a caring person. I felt immediately that he was caring about my well-being, not just doing surgery, which he's trained for, but I really felt cared for. His bedside manner, I've had a lot of surgeries in my life, and it's top. He looks at you, he asks you questions, he doesn't rush you, genuine, very genuine.